Alright, hey everyone. Quick update this week. I was supposed to have this done on Tuesday, but had a bit of a hectic week, so it's Thursday today. So I've been working on ship landing, and we'll just pilot our ship here and show you what it's all about. Turn on assisted, radio, here we go. So we'll actually need to adjust our modules here. There's these atmospheric thrusters, which we can cue onto our hotbar, like so. I'll put them on the L key for land and launch. Now if we press L while we're over I'll actually show you what happens if we're off of an entity. Try and land, we must be over a celestial entity. And then if we try and hit L again now, there we go, we're flying down to the surface. And then we need to select the tile that we'll land on. If we try to close this, you'll see must select a tile before closing. And there we go, now we're going to land here. If I try and press L while we're landing, we get a warning saying we're already landing. And there we are, we've landed. We're on the tile. Here we are. We can press L. We can take off again. You can see over here as well, we're taking off from the planet. And there we are. That animation is a little bit fucked up. I need to fix that. And we can land on anything, any moon, any planet. We can't land on asteroids because they'll collide with our ship and explode. We could add that, but I don't think it's really going to be necessary. I'll land on this moon, so if I can manage to fly my ship here. So you guys can see that. L, down we go. Rightio, pick a tile, let's land here. Right now as well, you can land like in the middle of the ocean. I'll probably make it that if your ship lands on a pure water tile, then there should be some kind of, like your ship should sink or something. Also, you might see this animation is offset, which is another minor bug that I need to fix. That's actually to do with our camera. If I track this object, right, and then we zoom in, you'll notice the center point for our camera is actually like here, which is where our animation was cued to play. So that's another little minor bug that needs to be fixed with our cameras. Right, what else? I actually also made this navigator to help when I was debugging things. So how this works is every star or black hole or whatever is currently listed, but when you're playing the game, this will be gradually filled out as you're surveying things. So initially you'll have maybe one star entered in here, and as you go around scanning different planets and moons, they'll be entered into your database. And we can just hop around to different celestial bodies by clicking on here. And then you'll notice in this column, what's popping up is all of the children of this star. So if I zoom out a bit, you'll see the closest one is this thing right here. Right, there's that. And then if we bring that back up, you can see once this is selected, it shows you all the moons or the children of that planet. And we can see like this Fidomi has a bunch of moons, Polypop has a couple of moons, and we can go to different systems and look around and just sort of plan out what our next move would be if we were actually playing the game. We'll move back to our ship. I think that's all I've got for you this week, guys. Just a small update. And getting ready for next week, we're working on... So here's our ship. So now that you can land, we need a way for crew to be able to embark and disembark from a ship that is on a surface. So basically what that will look like is you've got your crew on board, which we can't actually see right now because I'm working on a crew tree, but that's a whole nother thing. If we fly over here and we press land again, and then we select our tile, let's go over here. Right, there should be some interface where we can now pick our crew or maybe select a tile and send our crew over here, or because all of this will not be revealed. What's revealed right now is because we're in God mode. This will all be undiscovered tiles, and you'll have to either scan from space or land on an unknown tile, which could be dangerous. You may land in an ocean, and then disembark your crew and order them to, say, maybe surveil the surrounding tiles around your ship. So yeah, that's where we're at, guys. I'll try it, and I'm trying to get my videos out every Tuesday. That didn't happen this week, like I said, but hopefully we'll try and stick to that a bit more strictly. And next Tuesday I'll have crew ready, hopefully for you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next update.